Yoga is an ancient practice that encompasses physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and mindfulness. It offers numerous benefits for both the body and mind, making it a holistic approach to improving overall health and well-being. Here's an introduction to yoga and a 30-day plan for reaping its benefits. Introduction to yoga. Yoga originated in ancient India and has been practiced for thousands of years. It combines physical movements, breath control, and mental focus to promote harmony and balance within the body and mind. Yoga is known to enhance flexibility, strength, balance, and posture, while also reducing stress, improving mental clarity, and fostering a sense of inner peace. Benefits of yoga. Physical fitness. Yoga improves strength, flexibility, and balance, promoting overall physical fitness and reducing the risk of injuries. Stress reduction. Through deep breathing and mindful movement, yoga helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve relaxation. Mental clarity. Regular practice of yoga can enhance focus, concentration, and mental clarity. Improved posture. Yoga poses strengthen core muscles and promote proper alignment, leading to improved posture and reduced back and neck pain. Enhanced flexibility. Yoga postures gently stretch muscles, tendons, and ligaments, increasing flexibility and joint range of motion. Mind-body connection. Yoga cultivates a deeper awareness of the body and mind, fostering a sense of connection and self-awareness. Better sleep. Yoga can promote better sleep by reducing stress and anxiety and improving relaxation. Increased energy. Regular practice of yoga can boost energy levels and vitality, helping you feel more energized throughout the day. Improved respiratory function. Yogic breathing exercises, known as pranayama, can enhance lung capacity and improve respiratory function. Emotional well-being. Yoga promotes emotional balance, self-acceptance, and a positive outlook on life. 30-day yoga plan for best health. Here's a suggested 30-day plan to incorporate yoga into your routine and experience its benefits. Week 1. Foundation and Awareness. Days 1 to 7. Start with beginner-friendly Hatha or Vinyasa yoga classes or follow online tutorials for basic poses, focusing on alignment and building awareness of your body and breath. Week 2. Strength and Flexibility. Days 8 to 14. Incorporate more challenging poses to build strength and improve flexibility. Explore standing poses, warrior sequences, and gentle back bends. Week 3. Balance and Mindfulness. Days 15 to 21. Practice balancing poses like tree pose and eagle pose to improve stability and focus. Begin incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your practice. Week 4. Integration and Flow. Days 22 to 30. Combine the elements of previous weeks into flowing sequences or join a vinyasa or power yoga class. Emphasize breath awareness, mindful movement, and meditation. Additional considerations. Duration. Aim for 20 to 60 minutes of yoga practice each day, depending on your schedule and comfort level. Guidance. If you're new to yoga, consider taking classes from a qualified instructor or following online tutorials from reputable sources. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's limitations and modify poses as needed to prevent injuries and promote a safe practice. Rest days. Take 1 or 2 rest days each week to allow your body to recover and prevent overexertion. Consistency. Establish a regular practice to experience the benefits of yoga. Even shorter sessions can be beneficial if done consistently. In summary, yoga is a personal practice, so adapt the plan to suit your needs and preferences. If you have any underlying health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program.